Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just actually unpack on the highlights on the Senzo Mewa case last week. There was a lot. There was actually a lot happening. Gold tooth thing. I'm just like, because we end up now saying gold teeth, because now no, actually, accused number 3 had gold teeth on the upper quadrant. I'm like, wow. Like, when? And then that photo, Kantanzi. I compared that photo, Kantanzi. It's not Tanzi, guys. That is not Tanzi. I was even tempted to make a short and be like, is this Tanzi? Why you Tanzi no? Kahleni guys. Untanzi nje. Angikaze ngize ngimbone. Bayidrawela noma yini okay and be like, that's Tanzi. Guys, this is just so wrong in so many ways. And I can't stop saying it. I keep on rubbing it in. Ukuthi, why? Wasukela nje abantu ongazi about 5 obathatha bafaka ejele wathi ene babulalisa into me. How do you sleep at night? That's my question every time. So the highlights again, guys, we continue with them. So who accused number 3 just showed the coach ukuthi no, akayonsona a slow coach, which was actually a good move for me, just as much as Urata doesn't get it. Urata is just like, Aibo, where is the law there? Guys, ilaw yini kodwa ukuthi uthathe uNtanzi kasibuyele uNtanzi bani accused number 2 bonga uNtanzi umthathe umise kwi-dentist uphinde uyikhokhele uphinde uqamba amanga uphinde naye ize court and lie uyabo say why nayi go to uyayizwa ukuthi it's not working for us. This is why accused number 3 time abantu abangeke. I want my own. So which means that one ayifunayo i-dentist is going to come to prison. Fanele kuba khona wonke umuntu, even if uginida nayo umele lapho nomnisi, it's still fine, guys. It's working for me. Yeah, I think sonke asiben khona mayifika i-dentist. So sizositshela kahle ukuthi who had a gold tooth, who has a gold, like where is the gold tooth? Uyayibona le nto le. It's only fair like that, guys. Because this is not about us at the end of the day. It's about all the accused and getting the justice for the Meyiwas. The pearl. So in Taifuna, I'm going with it. And then another highlight was, I was still saying, the fake picture Gantans. And Umnisi wants to prove them wrong. Just as much as Umnisi is not so good with AI and all of that. But it's about Manjala. Yes. He's digging. Yes. Uramusipil is actually helping him. Uramusipil is just like Lalelo and Iga and just as much as Kono AI and all of that. Why would that be done? That's not done, bruh. Please don't allow those people to court at that time. And the state, obviously. I mean, they mustn't make you believe that is dance. You know very well it's not dance. And Umnisi is aware of it. It's just with Umnisi, I need. When it comes to listening to ganjens and my phones and stuff, it takes him forever. But Giyamazi is up to something. Uya strategize Gizobangena. And you know what's crazy about it though? Uzobangena. It's not even playing with them. It's just like, what? I'm going to expose people. That's not dance. Like I'm saying, futhi uNtanzi angithi umuntu kaRamasipili. So bayabona bayahlanganisa they are a team like you've never seen. And lento le bengayinakile. I even said on one of my videos in December ukuthi hayibo baba uzahlebe eceleni uRamasipili athi ithi. This is when people said the time uRamasipili when we just thought he didn't do well for accused number 2 Ubongani Ntanzi and his cross-examination. No. Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda was shot. People went to Twitter, took him to Twitter and dragged him like a mob. They were like, ay, winner, how can you just leave Ntanzi hanging like this? Now he's come back. He actually came back from I don't know where. What's it, including Wenarat. I will show you. I will show this court. I will show the state to Lalela Namanga. Ninamanga, you're using AI, using your own things. It's not even the AI. It's just like a crazy photo that has nothing to do with dancing. That's not dancing, guys. And our brother here, Warrant Officer and Love, is like, it's Tombe. This is what his words. It's Tombe. Ungasola ngendleleni. Ziphi indlela but angifana usithola ku-J5. The Samsung. Ekan dance. Manje which other ways? Yabona? Hi guys. And I get it ukuthi isithombe that's in your phone doesn't have to be isithombe that was actually taken by your phone. You understand? It can be just other photos that were sent by people through WhatsApp or whatever. But you can't when in your testimony uthi ney'ndlela ey'ningi. Why ungastick nje kuleyo nto ukuthi ungayithola ithombe from other friends wakho? Uyabona uma usuthi ngendlela eningi usho labo AI bakho in these fake photos that Kininda gave you. So umnisi nje basically into ayishoyo ukuthi yazini with AI bakwethu singenza noma yini, we can manipulate stuff. This thing was manipulated vele lezi ithombe zalezi these guys. I mean noma ngabe nje kuthiwa awuzazi lezi zinto, you will know ukuthi ayikho lento. We are just being taken for a ride again like we always do. Sakujetsheliswa nje emotweni sihambe asifuni at the time. Imagine. Amanye ama-highlights-ke guys that happened last week. Nango-ke u-Attorney Sipho Mosipile esethatha u-Warrant Officer Ndlovu esemfaka inside izingwenya crocodiles. Guys, who even does that? As you know, there's a certain aspect that I'm looking for. Ngicela ukuthi ungichazele ngaleyo hoodie, awungi-explain. And u-Advocate Sipho Mosipile did say to Warrant Officer Ndlovu ukuthi yazini, I'm not faulting you. This is not also even about you. It's just the leader of this evidence. Wena ayikho into engenze yona. Hayi guys, uRamosipile azomsukumisa uNtanzi wathi ngicela usukumeke bazoyibona la uhoodie ifakini. Ngaleso sikhathi ubhuti wakho u-Warrant Officer Ndlovu usechaza isitori eside ukuthi ihoodie ayino red, ayino grey, ayino black. I'm just like, please. At that time ke yazi ukuthi bazama uku-expose bani? uRonnie Sibanda udokotela ingane kaBaloyi. Yakhumbula I once said ukuthi inkosi yami uRonnie Sibanda usenkingeni for qualifying futhi as a doctor of law. Ngapha uyingane kaBaloyi uncela amanga. It's the craziest thing. And at times I'm sure he's just like, I don't want to do this, Daddy. I don't want to do it. I can't lie. Athi uBaloyi lalela, you are in it. Stop crying. uSibanda asukume esebona ukuthi yazini it's actually crazy now. Warrant Officer Ndlovu attackwa ubrothers lo abathi u-Attorney Sipho Mosipile. Wasukuma uSibanda wathi hayi please Nkosi yami, we can actually argue this later, my lord, please, because I don't want to put this witness on the spot. Abesethi uRamosipile kanje guys, I don't want to ridicule you because actually this is ridiculous and laughable. Those were his words. I'm just like, what? Ramosipile, please take the rose. Emhlophe ngiyakupha le flower ngeke. Guys, uRamosipile is taking other direction. Just uRamosipile, listen, when Ronnie Sibanda, I'm not even going to entertain you in that photo of yours engekho. Basically, I'm exposed with these fake photos and the lies that he lied. And besethu uyamgqiba wacabanga ukuthi uRamosipile uzongena phansi kwasimende like they always do with uBaloyi. Kanti no, uRamosipile was just like, lalela, I'm not gonna entertain you. Actually, iyangihlekisa lento esho, all of this nje is laughable. Those words, I was just like, what? Ramosipile uvukephi? uRamosipile athi a particular narrative wanted to be given to us and then we're supposed to believe it. Mase sesibuza about it, umuntu jumps up and down. Usho uRonnie Sibanda udokotela. Uthi, doctor, please, calm down. Like, what's going on with you? Ngoba nami nginayi right ukuthi ngibuze kahle ngaleso sithombe ngoba basically you lied. Obviously he's not gonna say ukuthi namanga. Ngoba he's not gonna go there. Wabanjwa kanjalo ke uDr Sibanda uRatha esebuza sithi, so what narrative is that? Athu Ramosipile meloya ngibabonile lapha ukuthi they were trying to push some narrative yokuthi accused number 2 uBongantanzi was wearing a grey sweater in some hoodie over some in those sweaters that have a hoodie. Basically Attorney Ramosipile saw right through them. Is date again, you know, but let's just manjwa guys. Oh my god, those people are cheating like you've never seen. Ukubone icheater bese manje bekuyinto kanjalo kwinto kaDr Ronnie Sibanda. So ke sime lapho guys kancane. ngifuna ukuqhubeka ngamanye futhi ama-highlights because I keep on picking up things ngithi what did you say, you know. Thank you so much guys for always supporting my channel. Nginithanda over.